Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the forest solo. Your immediate priority after the plane crash is to secure a safe spot. Quickly gather essential resources like sticks and rocks to craft a basic axe and spear. Construct a small, defensible shelter to protect yourself from the elements and initial threats. Always keep an eye on your hunger and thirst meters, finding clean water and edible plants or animals to stay alive. This early preparation is crucial for your long-term survival on the island. Once you have a basic foothold, focus on building a robust base. Select a location that offers natural defenses, perhaps near a water source and abundant trees. Erect sturdy defensive walls and strategically place traps to keep the cannibals and mutants at bay. For self-sufficiency, build a water collector and start a small garden to ensure a steady supply of food and clean water. Remember, effigies can be a powerful psychological deterrent, making your base less appealing to enemies. As you grow stronger, venturing out to explore the island becomes essential. Proceed with caution, as caves hold valuable resources but also dangerous mutants. Pay close attention to enemy behaviors and attack patterns. Understanding their weaknesses will give you a significant advantage in combat. Crafting advanced weapons and armor is vital for facing tougher adversaries. Sometimes, the best fight is the one you avoid entirely, so utilize stealth to bypass large groups of cannibals whenever possible. To truly thrive solo, master advanced crafting, creating powerful explosives and modern weaponry. Understanding the game's progression system is key to unlocking new blueprints and technologies that will aid your survival. As you approach the endgame, prioritize gathering rare resources and continuously upgrading your gear to face the ultimate challenges. Consider establishing several small outposts across the island. These can serve as safe havens for quick saves and efficient resource collection, making your solo journey much smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.